Hello students of class 1, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you mathematics chapter number 1, numbers up to 50, part 10. So now here our topic is smallest to biggest. So smallest to biggest means what? You have to start from the smaller number. If I say 1 2 3 4, so which is the smallest number which comes first or which comes before? So 1 here is the smallest number, then comes 2, then 3 and 4, and the biggest number will be 4 in this 4 numbers. So this is from smallest to biggest. Next is these balls have been arranged from the smallest to the biggest. Now as you can see this ball, you can see the size also of the ball. The first one is the smallest, then little bigger than that, then little bigger than that, and last one is the biggest. So this is arranged from smallest to biggest, and numbers you can see from 25 comes first. If we see 25, 26, 27 and 28, from this 4 number 25 is the smallest number, then comes 26, then 27 and then 28. So this is smallest to biggest. Next is biggest to smallest. Now what is biggest to smallest? Opposite of smallest to biggest, means we have to start from the biggest number. Now you can see your ball, the biggest ball is first, then little smaller than that, then little smaller than that, and last one is the smallest one. Same way number you can see 38 comes first, then 37, then 36 and 35. So you have to arrange like that from biggest to smallest. Next is arrange these numbers in order. One has been done for you. Now you can see in this column numbers are given. They have asked us, we have to arrange from smallest to biggest and from biggest to smallest. So when the numbers are in series, means if it is like 1 2 3 4 or 10 11 12 13 or 20 21 22 23, so if these numbers like serial numbers are there, so it is very easy to arrange. Once you arrange from smallest to biggest, you can easily do the reverse of it. Now as you can see here 19 18 17 and 20, so which one is smallest? 17, then will come 18, then 19 and last will be 20. So same way they have arranged 17 18 19 and 20. Now this was from smallest to biggest. Now if we arrange from biggest to smallest the same number, so you have to do the reverse of it. 20 will come first, then 19 18 and then 17. So this becomes very easy if the number are in series. Next is 46 44 47 and 45. So from this 44 is the smallest number, so 44 will come first, then will come 45 46 and 47. So same way I have already arranged it. Then next do the reverse, 47 46 45 and 44. Next is 39 37 38 and 40. So from this 37 will come first, then will come 38, then 39 and then 40. So same way I have arranged here. Do the reverse, 40 39 38 and 37. Next is 23 24 25 and 22. From this 22 will come first, then 23, then 24, then 25. So same I have written here. Do the reverse, 25 24 23 and 22. Next is 28 30 31 and 29. From this 28 will come first, then will come 29, then 30 31. Do the reverse, 31 30 29 and 28. So it is very simple when the numbers are in series, so you can arrange it very quickly. So here two topics we covered, smallest to biggest and from biggest to smallest. Now next page, as you can see here, order of numbers. Now as you know that from what is smallest to biggest and from biggest to smallest, so it is not every time compulsory that all the number will be in series. If I give you numbers like 2 4 7, so these number are not in series. but this is in order. Which order we can say? This is the increasing order. Increasing, see, it is written here increasing order. If I put number 2, 4 and 7, so this is the smallest number from these three, then little bigger, and last one will be the biggest. So this is from smallest to biggest. So increasing order is from smallest to biggest we have to arrange. So what is written here? Write these numbers starting from smallest on the lowest step to the biggest on the top of the steps. Now as you can see here, some steps are given. So this will be the lowest step and this will be the top step. So here number is 15, 7 and 3. So from 15, 7 and 3, 3 is the smallest number, so we will write it on the lowest step. Then 7 is little bigger, so you will write in the second step, and top step you will write 15. Same way 11, 20 and 9. So 9 will come first, then 11 and then 20. From 35, 16 and 28, 60 is the smallest number, so that will be on the lowest step. Then will come 28 and last will be 35. Next number is 20, 15 and 42. So 15 will come first, then 20 and then 42. Next is 27, 24 and 29. So 24 is the smallest number, then 27 and then 29. Next is 38, 28 and 48. So 28 will come first on the lowest step, then 38 and then 48. So for this it is very necessary for you to understand the place value, what we have done before, tens and ones place. Then I have showed you ring the smallest number, ring the biggest number. So how do we recognize the smallest and biggest number? If you know that, so this is going to be very easy for you. Now next page is decreasing order. Now what is decreasing order? Decreasing means from biggest to smallest we have to go. Now biggest to smallest, if I give you number 8, then 5 we write and then 2. So from this 3, number 8 is the biggest, so it will come first, then 5 is little smaller than that, and then 2 is the smallest number. So this is how we arrange in decreasing order. So what is given here? Write this number starting from biggest at the top of the step to the smallest at the lowest step. Now what we have to do here, again the you can see the staircase is given. So on this staircase, the biggest number will come first and the smallest number will come on the last, means lowest step. So 16, 8 and 20. So 20 is the biggest number, so it will come first here on the step. As you can see, they have written here. Then 16 will come and then 8 will be on the lowest step, but we have to go like this, means from biggest to smallest. From 19, 15 and 25. 25 is the biggest number, then comes 19 and then comes 15. From 23, 19 and 37. 37 is the biggest number, then 23 and then 19. 22, 48 and 32. So 48 is the biggest number, then comes 32 and then comes 22. Next is 31, 30 and 36. So 36 will come first, then 31 and then 30 on the lowest step. From 49, 29 and 39. 49 is the biggest number, then 39 and then 29. So what do you find the difference between these two? In increasing order, what we did we arranged from smallest to biggest, and in decreasing order we arrange from biggest to smallest. So these things you have to keep in mind to arrange these numbers. Next is chapter checkup. Now chapter checkup is the whole exercise which we did all the sums in the whole lesson. This is a short 1-page exercise which you have to do by your own. I am just going to explain you how to do this, and I hope you will practice this at home. Now count how many and fill in the boxes as we did in tens and ones. What we did, which are in the group of 10, 10. Now how many group are there of 10? 1, 2, 3 group. So this we will write in the tens place, because 10, 10 group, 10, 10 things are there in one packet. Then in the next you can see 2 is extra. So 2 are separate given. So 3 of 10, 10 and 2. So the number becomes 32, which I have written here. Same way do this. This will be the homework for you. It is very easy. 1 2 3 4. So 4 will be in tens place and 1 will be in ones place. So next one, circle the value. This we already did in the previous exercise. As you can see, whichever is the colored number, here 3 is the colored number, so you have to recognize what is the place value of 3, and here what is the place value of 5. For your reference, I have already written all the answers. I have solved all the answers, but I want whenever you will solve this in your book, please keep your book closed, first solve it and then check the answers. Ring the bigger number. Third question is ring the bigger number. So as we did before, whichever number is bigger, you have to ring that number. Fourth question, ring the smaller number. Again, between two numbers, you have to select which one is the smaller number according to their tens ones place. Question number 5. Now this is not in previous exercise, but I will explain. Color the box with the biggest number and the box with the smallest number blue. Now whichever is the biggest box, you have to color that in red, and whichever box is having smallest number, you have to color that in blue. So as you can see, I have written here RB means 32 is the biggest number, so color that in red. And which is the smallest number, here you can see 18, so color this in blue. So like this you have to do this 3 sums. I have already given the answers. Next is rewrite from biggest to the smallest. Now what we did right now, so that is from biggest to smallest you have to arrange, and here from smallest to biggest you have to arrange and write that in this boxes. Next is give the number before. Before number means which number comes before 37, you have to write here. Which number comes after 23, you have to write here. Which number comes between 48 and 50, that you have to write here. Now next, last question, fill in the boxes. Now this is again very easy. Now as you can see, the number are in series 32, 33, then comes 34, 35 and 36. They have already written count forward, means we have to go forward, like we go on number strip. Now here it is given count backward. As you can see, 46 and 45 means they are going backward numbers. So 44, 43 and 42. So this was your chapter checkup. Solve this at home, and hope you all understood what we learned today. Thank you, students.